INFINITI of Boerne is a principal auto dealership, and as a group, we are influenced by our 5 guiding principles. It really starts with great people who are passionate about providing exceptional customer service and treating customers like we would want to be treated. INFINITI of Boerne is focused on your needs. We work hard to provide you with an exceptional experience that exceeds your expectations. It's all about making our customers feel at home. To us, you're much more than just a customer. From the moment you first walk through the door, you will be greeted by a passionate associate who respects you, your time, and the opportunity to serve you. You can always count on straightforward communication as we evaluate your needs and assist you with figuring out the best options for you and your vehicle. We understand purchasing a vehicle is a big decision, and many people are anxious or even scared with the car buying process. We try to eliminate these concerns because we believe it should be a fun and exciting experience. When you pull up to our service drive, you can expect a worry-free experience because you can count on getting reliable and consistent estimates every time. It's important to us that you can get going with the rest of your day without any unnecessary delays, which is why our knowledgeable and highly trained associates will get you in and out quickly. We offer INFINITI loaner vehicles to get you where you need to go. We also offer a pickup and delivery service that has been designed to make things as convenient as possible for you. Our highly trained master certified technicians are capable of handling whatever concerns may present themselves. And our service advisors will communicate with you and keep you updated while your vehicle's in service. After your vehicle is serviced, it will go through our complimentary car wash. Even if your vehicle does not need to be serviced, you can stop by any time for a complimentary wash, a cup of coffee, or just a good conversation. Through a combination of exceptional value and our dedication to provide world-class service, we always aim to provide our customers with a great experience. Between our passionate sales associates, trusted service advisors, and expertly trained technicians, no one knows your INFINITI better than we do, ensuring your INFINITI is always in good hands.